Hey everybody, this is Tim again with the managersresourcehandbook.com. Quick tip, you can visit us on the web at www.managersresourcehandbook.com for all sorts of tools, templates, and tips to help you manage people and run your business more smoothly. In today's quick tip, we'll be talking about multi-generational technology planning. It's a mouthful there for you. But if we look at just the phrase technology planning, I myself am an engineer. I've managed and led product development teams for nearly 15 years. And technology planning is basically the act of displaying all of your various technology projects to help show how the projects you are working on meet the market needs that are emerging or react and are integrated with the market trends. The multi generational aspect of technology planning is the basically the evolution of technology over time. So if you look at Apple, Apple is about to unveil their iPhone 6. At least that's what the news is saying. The iPhone 6 is about to come out, and I guarantee you that when the iPhone 5 came out, Apple wasn't, just beginning the iPhone 6. They probably already had plans for an iPhone 6 at that point, and were probably well underway in developing it. But the reason the iPhone 6 is coming out is because flat screen displays have improved, and cell phone technology has improved, and everything else. So the iPhone family is a great example of the multi-generational aspect of technology planning. So in today's discussion, we'll be talking about let's just take treadmills. The machines you go running on at the gym as our basic example of technology. So we're going to go through three different examples of multi-generational technology plans, three different ways to display the very similar, very same information. And again, it depends on your business and your industry. It just depends on how you want to display it. But here's three examples for you. So there's three key features to a multi-generational technology plan. The first is time. So you notice along the top there, I go from year one to year five. This can be done by quarters. It can be done by months. It can be done by every 5 years if you choose. It just depends on your type of business and how fast it moves. But basically, you want to be able to tie projects to a given point in time. The second key piece to a multi-generational technology plan is the technology and industry influence. So if there's, perhaps in this case, we have MP3 players became popular in the early 2000s. Maybe there's an industry driver here where the National Gym Company is planning a major expansion, and you want to target that expansion to position your company to have the best products available for them to hopefully select. There's the flat screen displays, there's satellite TV systems. So there could be a lot of different things in here for your type of products. But essentially, this is stuff happening outside of your company and outside of your immediate business that you want to either react to or accommodate and plan for. The third key element of a multi-generational technology plan is the technology itself that you are working on. So on the left-hand side, I've got four different colored boxes for different sort of sub-technologies of your treadmill. So the audio-visual systems, the connectivity systems, the cooling systems, and then mechanical systems. So if we look to the very first one there, audio-visual systems, again, it's timing product features to the market. So the very first one there, the first enhancement to treadmills beyond just the motor was adding speakers. You could listen to the radio. You might be able to put a CD in or something like that and listen to some music while you're jogging. Well, over time, if you look towards year four now, as compact flat screen displays became more low cost and available to the market, maybe you incorporate a personal video screen so people can watch a movie as they're exercising. And then as you continue to the right, those video screens may have been enhanced to add HD videos to your treadmill products. If you go all the way down to the bottom there, for example, the gray mechanical systems, maybe you're, timing it for the National Gym Company's planned expansion. You want to develop some vibration reduction technology for your treadmills to make it more comfortable for users, and you want to have that as a key feature to market towards the multi-generation to the National Gym Company. Sorry. And then again, a few years later, maybe you go and enhance that technology for year 5. So again, the multi-generational technology plan has 3 key elements: time, market and industry trends, and then of course the technology that you're working on. So here's another example of almost the exact same multi-generational technology plan. This one happens to be tabulated. And in this case, we've identified the investment and the time to develop for each enhancement to the product. So if you look for year 3 there, for the National Gym Company Plan expansion, just below that, the audiovisual systems, you'll see that maybe that's when you start looking to add personal video screens, and it's going to cost you 500,000 euros and take 20 months to develop. So it helps time when you're going to introduce technology, and how much, in this case, how much it might cost you. So again, a very similar set of information, it's just displayed differently. And here's a third example of very similar information, just displayed in a manner that may be better for your business and your company. One other note to make here, beyond the year, the time, the market and industry trends, and of course the technology, is the type of technology that you're working on. So we've got it broken up here into 4 categories: the AV systems, connectivity, cooling, and mechanical systems. The reason this is important is because, as a resource manager, if you say, look, over the next 4 or 5 years, I'm going to be doing a lot of audiovisual, enhancements to my products, it's going to drive you to resource accordingly. You're going to want to make sure you've got people who are, specialized or trained at least in those types of projects, and software, mechanical products, whatever it is. So it helps you also plan your resources if you tie the projects to maybe a sub-classification. So there you have it. That's today's quick tip. You can visit us again on the web at www.managersresourcehandbook.com for all sorts of tools and tips and templates, including this one. You can download these templates from the tools and templates page of our website. So until next time, thanks for listening.